What we eat and drink, they play a crucial role in boosting our immune system, and that in turn decides and determines our recovery and getting back on feet. Hi, this is nutritionist Satpreet Pasricha, and today in my health series, I'm going to talk about COVID positive nutrition plan. So all those patients who are COVID positive and are confused what to eat is what I'm going to talk about in today. So today we are going to talk about what to have if you have been tested COVID positive. Lots of information is there on internet, and a lot of nutritionists, dietitians and other medical practitioners are talking about immunity, immune system, how to boost it. But when it comes to COVID positive patients, I have realized lately with a lot of my patients, people are really confused. There is so much information on internet and floating around on WhatsApp and social media that people are confused. So in a day they are probably having 3-4 lime water, they are having orange juice, they are having all the possible kadas with all the possible spices and herbs, and there's so much of confusion. So today we are going to clear that one by one, and I'm going to give you a small gist that what you need to take care when you have or your family member has turned COVID positive. So if you're COVID positive or your family member is COVID positive, do not just start picking up everything and anything on the earth and start having. So first of all, figure out what are your symptoms. Okay, are you asymptomatic, or you have mild fever, or you have cough, chest infection, lung infection? So what's the kind of infections, and how adverse is it, mild or it is high symptoms if you're having? So if you're having cough, or you're having runny nose, or you're having chest infection, which is like phlegm and stuff, I would suggest that go easy on any sour food. Now when we're talking about COVID positive or immunity, we're talking about vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C is very important, we all know that. But vitamin C is usually there in sour foods, right? With like oranges or lime water or pineapple. So if you start consuming this, it may cause more itching or more congestion in your chest and more coughing. So we want faster recovery. We do not want to delay the recovery. So in this case, you may have to replace it with a supplement which your medical practitioner, your doctor who's treating you, or your nutritionist who's giving you a diet can do so. So first of all, go by your symptoms. Just don't pick up anything and everything and start drinking any juices or nimbu pani if you are having chest infection. So that's my first point. Proteins are very important. They are our building blocks and they help in recovery faster. So protein in form of dal soups, dal ki roti, general a bowl of dal if you're eating, or eggs. So make sure that you're including a good quality of protein in your diet while you're COVID positive. Also be wary about things like have lesser salt, less sugar, reduce your caffeine intake. So your tea, coffee intake has to be reduced because we don't want to get dehydrated. And also be wary about all the processed foods. So all the foods which are like biscuits or namkeens or anything which you're ordering from outside at this point need to be avoided or restricted. As per my experience as a nutritionist, what I have seen a faster recovery in my patient is when we have reduced their intake of raw vegetables. So if we've given them more cooked vegetables, so we reduce the perishable foods where there is a chances of high bacteria. So raw foods or milk, or sometimes even curd when you have like a bad throat or you have an itchy throat, has helped a lot of patients in recovery. Wholesome foods like fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, having a lot of soups, broths, and hydrating yourself enough is another important point which a COVID positive patient should take care. Now when we're talking about fruits, be sure any fruits which are aggravating your cough or are sour can be avoided at this point. Vegetables, I would prefer it in having a cooked form, like in form of broths and soups, or cooked vegetable instead of salad. And hydration in form of water, broth. You need to drink lots of water, about at least 12 to 15 glasses of water, especially if you're having running fever. We do not want any dehydration happening in the body. So please make sure that you're having wholesome food with a lot of fresh food cooked, that is home cooked food, lot of vegetables, lot of fruits in your diet, and enough water in your diet. Along with these tips, certain other things like gargling and taking steams and having a decoction of turmeric and pepper, a pinch of pepper and about 2 pinches of turmeric really helps with the COVID positive patients. Now when we're talking about these functional foods like turmeric and pepper, please do not overdo any of these decoctions, because a lot of people are also overdoing. So as per your condition, it's better that your nutritionist suggests what kind of decoctions you should have to boost your immunity, because they're also antiviral and antibacterial. And along with that, drinking 3 to 4 glasses of hot water does help COVID positive patients. So to summarize it all, I would say that hydrate yourself enough, make sure that you're drinking enough water, you're having good quality protein and you're having enough protein in your diet. You're restricting yourself with sugar, salt, caffeine, processed food, and following your doctor, whatever they are asking you to do. Make sure that you're doing it all, following your medications, following your breathing exercises, whatever your physiotherapist is asking you to do. And on the top list is what? Stay positive. Stay positive, you'll be out of it soon and you'll be back on your feet, all recovered.